Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be opening up some more Pokemon cards. Caitlin's making noise right off the bat. Anyways, I'm not sure what the official name of this is. I guess it's a Furious Fist blister pack. So there's 2 Furious Fist boosters. And then it also comes with 3 special holo cards. So as you can see, there's Scizor, Dust Noir, and Electivire. And I don't believe I have any of those cards. And then there's also a coin there. I'm actually not even sure what that is, but I'll show you guys a better look in a minute. And there's the back of it. So let's go ahead and open this up. But anyways, here's the coin. So yeah, I'm not even sure what Pokemon that is, honestly. My camera would focus. But yeah, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe you guys can let me know. And here are the 3 holo cards. So there's the Dust Noir. And I believe these are from, I think that's Boundaries Crossed. I wish my camera would focus, but anyways, there's that. And then there's the Electivire. And the Scizor. And they're all from the same set. Like I said, I think it's Boundaries Crossed. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's get to the 2 Furious Fist packs. Alright. It's been a while since I've opened up Furious Fist. Here's the code card. And I give away code cards every Friday on my channel, so definitely check that out. So pack 1 of 2. We have Dedenne, Battle Reporter, Hitmonchan, Clefairy, Torchic, Pancham, Machop, Makuhita. Reverse holo is a Skorupi, and the rare is a Golurk. Nothing too crazy there. Let's do a second pack. There's another code. Okay, so we have a Machoke, Weepinbell, Full Heal, Skorupi, Drowsy. I have a lot of these guys. Bellsprout, Lickitung, Noibat. Reverse holo is a Slackoth. And we get a Heracross EX full art. Are you kidding me? Wow. 2 packs and I get a full art. That's awesome. And I do not have this card, so that is pretty exciting. Wow. Alright. Don't really gotta do a recap here, but okay, my recording stopped there for some reason. I don't know what happened, but anyways, so yeah, we got those 3 holos. And I got my full art Heracross. I just put it in a sleeve, yeah. So yeah, this is a pretty good opening. 2 packs, got a full art. I'm definitely not complaining. But yeah, that is it for this one. Hit the like button if you guys enjoyed it. Comment and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.